Today's video is short, sweet and simple. We're going to be removing some bird poop stains and leaf stains from your car paint. So we'll show you two processes how I do it. So obviously that's the bird poop stain there, and then we've got a couple of leaf stains. You can actually see the detail of the leaf on that if the camera was a little bit better. Now the first method I'll use will be the heat gun. You've probably seen me do this before in one of my videos. Really simple, you just heat it up and it disappears. I think the science behind it is the lacquer's heating up to almost like a liquid, so it's filling it in kind of. There you go, that's gone. And secondly, I'm going to use my small machine polisher just to get rid of the leaf ones. It's nice, simple, fast and effective. So I'll just go around now, touch up the rest of them that are on the bonnet, then I'll finish it off with P40 to get a nice finish, get rid of any holograms left behind from the small polisher, and then you'll see the final result at the end, guys. Remember, if you like the videos, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, keep on living the dream.